Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kendra and I'm in Austin reviewing East Austin Succulents. This property is amazing and it's jam-packed with all kinds of greenery for your front, back, and side yards. Anyway, we've got succulents, of course, here. Also a great amount of cacti and grasses and bushes and all kinds of neat pottery and giftware in their gift shack. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and let you just watch the video. I've already taken a great amount of still photography, which are at the end so you can see the pictures. And there's an indication here that this place takes good care of their plants. Everything looked really healthy and happy here, and pricing is very comparable to other succulent sellers in the region. Hope you enjoy this video. I appreciate it. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the video is. And as always, have a great day. Are you still watching? Congratulations, you've made it this far. Listen, I have a ton of great Easter crafting videos. I'd love it if you watch them. And if you love to read, I'm authoring quite a few books now. Here's my latest, and it's on Amazon Kindle. Gigi says, thanks for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.